Boat juice products are great, and we use them to clean our boats. Here in Arizona, we have really hard water, and we get hard water spots on our boats. The boat juice water spot remover breaks down those hard water spots so they wipe away nicely. It also adds protection to our boats by providing a ceramic sealant. Boat Juice sent me some of their products to check out and test. Here are 3 things I like about them. First, the cleaning power. The exterior cleaner or water spot remover is good for all of the hard parts on the boat, like gel coat and glass and some of the metals. It does a great job at removing all of the water spots. The interior cleaner does a great job at cleaning the soft parts on the boat. We use it on the upholstery and the gator step flooring. We also use the Boat Juice microfiber towels that come matching with the bottle, so the cleaners keep separated. Second, many people use vinegar and water to clean with, and I cannot stand the smell of vinegar. So I love the fact that Boat Juice smells good while I'm cleaning. It's also one of the most common things that's pointed out by guests on our boat when we have them help us clean the boat. Third, refill availability. We clean our boats after every single use with Boat Juice. They offer the ability to order refill jugs. We can get gallon-sized jugs of Boat Juice to refill our spray bottles. So we always have the product we need when it's cleaning time. It's a great product to help us keep our boat clean. I've talked with the owner. He's a super cool guy, and Boat Juice is based out of Colorado. Shout out to all of my 303 friends. He currently has a really nice black Taiga. Yes, Boat Juice works on a black boat. I'll put a link down below so you can buy this stuff right off of Amazon. Now that you know what product to clean your boat with, what about teaching somebody to wake surf? Tap or click the screen here. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.